Okay, welcome to Introduction to Criminal Justice, JUS 101, and we are, of course, Q1433. The purpose of this short video is just to provide you with a brief introduction to my CJLab so you know where to find your assignments. We have a couple assignments that we work out here through different modules, so I just want you to be able to find out how to access some of this information, okay? So on the left-hand side of your screen here, when you log into Blackboard, you'll notice the My CJLab. And so what you're going to do is you're going to click on the My CJLab, and then you're going to sign in. And just give me a second here so I can log in. Okay, and then we're going to log in here under our course identification. And so if we go to module assignments and simulations and activities for this class, this is where you'll find them. All right, so we have, for this week, we have My CJLab activity simulation, the criminal justice system. We have a My CJLab quiz in Module 1, and then you'll see we have activities in Module 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, so to access My CJLab Activity Simulation 1, the criminal justice system, just click on that. You're going to click on where you have the green arrow. And then we're going to click on the Criminal Justice Interactive. And then we're going to get into the actual simulations that accompany this program. So if you select Start, what you'll find at the bottom is you'll have a series of icons. And each of these icons is actually related to our chapters. So we're dealing with Chapter 1, the Criminal Justice System. So if we click on that icon, and then we enter, this is what we get. We get a series of another set of icons at the bottom here on this dock. And what we're going to be working on are the simulation activities. So if you click on the simulation activity, and then you click Start here, then that gets you into the simulation activity. As you proceed through the simulation activity, there'll be points throughout where you'll have to answer some questions. And then hopefully you'll get them correct. If you don't get them correct, you can do it again. The key thing about both the simulation activity and the module quizzes that you'll take in My CJLab is you can take them as often as you want. And the goal, obviously, is to get 100%. Right? That is the goal. So we want you to get 100%. So as you work through these assignments, keep that in mind, and the quizzes especially. All right, so you can go through here and you can work through the different simulations, but that's where it is. Okay, so again, when you log in and you get into the simulation activity, let me just do that again real quick. Okay, so there's a simulation activity. For the quiz, you go here, you'll click on the icon for the quiz, and then you can start the quiz. Okay, and there are typically 25 questions. So go through the quizzes. Again, you can take the quizzes as many times as you like. The goal is for you to get 100%. So if the first time out you only get 84%, take it again throughout the course of the module week. And again, your ultimate goal is to get 100%, okay? And then you'll have a series of attempts. So like, for example, I've already tried this quiz once, so it shows 1 of 99, all right? So you have unlimited attempts really to take this quiz. And so I would really encourage all of you to allow yourself a sufficient amount of time for the week so you can take those quizzes and the simulation activities, okay? So that's where you're going to find these. And like I said, here is, this is week 1, this is week 1, this is in module 3, module 4, module 5, and then 2 in module 6. So if you have any questions about that, please let me know. Otherwise, please feel free to explore the My CJLab so you can become familiar with it. The thing about the My CJLab is I have to transfer grades from the My CJLab to Blackboard. So when you complete your assignments and if you get 100%, it's not going to show up right away in Blackboard until I go in, usually at the end of the week or sometimes in the middle of the week, depending on the level of activity. I have to physically transform that grade from my CJLab to Blackboard. Okay, so again, spend some time with it. I hope this helps in terms of finding these activities and knowing how to access them. And as we get moving along, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to get a hold of me. All right. Thank you so much, and I hope this was helpful. Bye.